Hey y'all, so I figured I'd do this intro while I'm actually working on some burping content. Why not? So, as you see by the title, yes y'all, this is my last burping video on this channel, and I haven't decided when I'm going to take off the rest of the videos, burping videos that's on this channel. I'm thinking I might leave it up until the end of February, but I don't know. It might even be until next Wednesday. Who knows? We don't know. Right now, I'm definitely going to take off the rest of the burping videos that I have on this channel. Yeah, so I love and appreciate all of my burping fans, all of y'all who've been riding with me, those who are currently on my Patreon. Let me stay safe out here in these streets. So yeah, as I was saying, I appreciate all y'all who are on my Patreon. If you don't know, I have a burping Patreon. It's called The Burping Princess Presents Burp City. Y'all, this video is gonna come down too, but it'll probably stay up longer than the other ones. Who knows? I haven't decided about this one yet, but I'm going to work on it. I don't know yet how long it's going to be. You know, it might just even be like 2, 3, or 4 burps. In fact, I'm literally working on the Patreon video. I could throw some burps from that one in here. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. And just let this be, oh, so many children. The kids are out. Oh boy, that's not a good sign. Anyway, because it's early. I don't know why they out so early. But anyway, yeah, y'all, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, because this channel is going to different places. And I'm super duper excited about where the Lord is taking us, you know, because it's not just my journey alone, even though I'm hosting it, you know what I'm saying? This channel is really for us. It's for us. And I'm just happy that I'm in a place now where I'm ready to film, I'm ready to record, and just to be myself, you know what I mean? And to just give y'all the content that I've been wanting to give y'all. So, in fact, actually, if I really think about it, I think my content is going to take a shift, y'all. It's going to take a shift. If any of you guys know, I do own a business, but I have not worked on that girl at all. And so this year is going to be different. And some of you might have noticed that I changed my tag to Pretty Girl Boss. And I'm going to do that today. I'm going to make sure that I change it today. I'm going to switch it around to Pretty Girl Boss LLC, and then tag it Marsha Finesse. Because, yeah, it's just a shift, y'all. It's a shift. So I love and appreciate all of y'all. Thank you so much for supporting me and for continuing to support me. And stay tuned, y'all, because it's going to be a show.